Hi. So first of all, it is 9:42. First, happy birthday to me. I'm officially 20 years old, and I'm 20. Wala na yung 19, wala na 18, wala na 17. Like, wala na yung teen. I'm like 20, 21, 22, 23. There's always gonna be 20, twin, or like 20, 21, 22, 23. So, wow. Gusto ko itong record, and I just want to document this day. Kasi this is not really a good day despite it being my birthday. So if you don't wanna listen to any of the sad part, then I suggest to like don't really watch this video. Kasi I'm posting this not to gain affection or like some sort or anything like that. Hindi ko goal yun. Record ko to and I'm posting this kasi gusto ko ibahagi to. Gusto ko i-document to. Okay? And plus, this is really, hindi ito yung mga usual na YouTube videos na pinopost ko. This is actually the first time. So if you're not used to that kind of stuff, then don't watch this. But then, kung isa pa rin, nandito pa rin, then welcome. I am 20. Down. I've been feeling birthday blues for 2 days. Like, it was 2 days advance siya. I was feeling it. Like, right now it's a Wednesday. I've been feeling it from like, I don't know, Monday to Tuesday until now. Ngayon kasi nagbawas kasi mamaya kakwento ko. Pero, yeah. Bakit ako nakakaramdam ng birthday blues? I don't know. I know that I am loved by many. Feelingera, I don't know, but it just feels like it feels like that, you know. And hindi ko rin siya ma-describe eh. I just don't know why I'm feeling birthday blues in the first place. But I'm down. Hindi naman dahil sa academics, hindi naman sa friends, not really because of family. I'm just really down because my birthday is upcoming. Like, parating na siya and dito na siya. No. Yung ginawa ko is 11 o'clock. Nag-call, like, may pag-busy ako with my best friend. So, hello Parakad. Sinamahan niya ako until 12 o'clock, until mag-12 mismo. Then, we went out. Bali, tumakas ako. So, pero yun nga, tumakas nga ako sa bahay. Hindi ako pwedeng lumabas, pero gusto ko kasing lumabas doon. I don't know kung ano yung gagawin ko na nandito lang ako sa bahay during my birthday. And it was also a way of me saving myself. Kasi who knows, di ba? So yun, tumakas ako. Naglakad lang kami ni Parakad around. Basta naglakad lang kami around town. Tapos after nun, hinatid ko na siya. Not really exact sa bahay niya, pero malapit sa area niya. And then, it was like 1. Nakauwi na ata ako ng mga alas 3. Then like 12. So, 12:30 ganun. Umalis na ako. Nakauwi na ako ng mga alas 3. And then, naglakad-lakad ako. All by myself. No music. No anything. It's just me and my phone, and my power bank, and my wallet. Naglakad ako, nag-explore ako. Not really farthest part, how I wish. Pero, dumaan ako ng Abanaw. Hindi, dumaan ako ng Malcolm Square. Dumaan ako ng Cathedral. Then, around Burnham, nag-ikot ako doon. Tapos, gigi ko alam kung saan daanan na yung napadpad ko. Pero, papunta rin ako ng Ligarda, malapit sa Karma. Tapos, naglakad ulit ako, papuntang City Hall. Basta, naglakad-lakad ako. It was like 5 kilometers. And, it was, what I can say about that, me walking in the middle of the evening, kasi madaling araw yun, di ba? Was, it was my own way of saving myself. It was my own way of saving myself from more sadness, from more blues. Okay? Gusto kong maglakad nga ng pupuntan dyan, eh. Siguro if I had the chance, hindi na siguro ako uwi. And naglakad lang talaga ako. Kasi I wasn't really that okay. Nakarating na ng bahay, 3 a.m. Natulog ako. And then, I just put pretended na ordinary day lang. Like, gusto ko isipin yun. Pero in my mind, deep inside of me, I know that it's my day. I know it's my birthday. Tapos sinasabi ko lang sa sarili ko. Kasi naka-uniform na ako dun. So, naglalakad ako. Sinasabi ko lang sa sarili ko na don't cry. Don't cry. Kalmahan mo. Kalma mo sarili mo. I was not really in the verge of crying. Pero I want to cry. Pero wala pang parating doon. So, parang sinasabi ko lang sa sarili ko na don't cry, don't cry. Kaya mo yan. Kalma mo sarili mo. Kalma mo sarili mo. It's just an ordinary day. Just an ordinary day. Don't think too much about it. Yeah. And as much as I want to say that I don't really care about my birthday, you know, as much as like gusto ko sabihin na walang pakialam sa birthday ko, this is an ordinary day, na ayoko siyang i-celebrate. No. I am not nonchalant. I am not Sigma. I am not an alpha male na napakalalaki na. Hindi ako ganun. Unfortunately, hindi ako ganun. I am a softie. And hindi ako yung matigas, malambot akong tao. I feel. So, ayun. Nung nasa klase ako na na-distract ako, I wasn't really thinking about my day. Wala rin bumati sa akin kasi no one knows. No one knows. Hindi ko rin alam kung nasabi ko ba sa nila or what, pero walang bumati, walang Ngayon, nag-story kasi ako nang bumati sa akin. At first, ayoko. Pero, eto na yun. Yeah. Tsaka may mga, I can't blame them as well because unang-una, they don't know my birthday, diba? Second, they're busy with their own lives. Third, yung mga bumati sa akin na like racist photo. Parang hindi ko pa nasabi birthday ko, okay? So, yun. So, kung ganun naman, Ryan, why you experience birthday blues? Parang invalid ata yun, di ba? I don't exactly know. But yeah, ayokong mag-celebrate. And then, I was a bit hesitant. Nung health education namin, isipan ko na, don't be bummer, Ryan. Like, look on the brighter side. Diba? Look on the brighter side. So, I wanted to celebrate it. At first, gusto kong i-celebrate yun na ako lang mag-isa. Kasi, may card naman. And I wanted to treat myself in a nice dinner na ako lang. Okay? Like, it's your birthday. Happy birthday promotion. Anyway, but yeah. At first, gusto ko na mag-isa na mag-celebrate, you know. And then, hindi ko talaga alam kung sinong yayain ko kasi if may nakapanood sa akin dito na galing sa Black M, then, hi guys. Hindi ko kasi alam kung sino pwede kong yayain. Like, I wasn't really close to anyone. Sabihin na naging kaibigan ko sila nung first time kasi I've joined like couple of circles, 3 ata doon. And then it didn't exactly worked out. Like, that's normal. Hindi ko sila naka-vibe. Siguro ito like maikli lang. Pero yun. Hindi kasi kami yung block na, you know, as a whole class, as a whole block. Nagkanya-kanya, like, they have their own worlds. They have their own circles. I don't really have a circle, but, yeah. Mga pumasok sa utak ko is yung dalawa na bago. So, niyaya ko yung una. Tapos, niyaya ko yung pangalawa. Tapos, yung isa kasi nakita ko. Then, naisipan ko, yayain ko rin siya kasi she's been good to me. She's been good so far. Kaya, naisipan ko siyang yayain. Pumayag. And then, the three of us, like, sabi ko lang, like, alam mo yun, like, ito ah. Parang it felt nakakaya, or like, it felt off for me to be asking na, kasi ang sinabi ko, uy, may gagawin ka ba? Tara SM. Tara. Tapos sabi niya, bakit? Malik lang, birthday ko kasi. Gusto ko i-celebrate. Ganun. Tapos pumayag siya. Tapos yung pangalawa naman, ganun na rin, uy, may gagawin ka ba? May plano ka ba? Sabi niya, meron. Ganito, pupunta sa ganyan. Sabi ko, okay, sige. So, sabi niya, bakit? Sama ka sa amin. Panlabas kasi kami. SM, birthday ko kasi. At gusto ko siyang i-celebrate kahit pa paano. Like, ganun yung boses ko. Like, A part of me was nahihiya, a part of me was, it, I don't know. Pero like, I wanna look on the brighter side, kaya ako sila naisipan yayain. No? So, yun. Tapos, yun na rin sa isa, bumili ako ng pizza and then we talk for like, I believe 2 hours kasi kakauwi ko lang. It was 5, so 6, 7, 8 na kami nakauwi. Ganyan. So, ayun. Talking to them, sila yung rason na rin kung ba't parang gumaan yung birthday blues ko. And na-appreciate ko talaga sila. No? Really, really so much. And kung if napapanood nyo to, then hi guys. Kilala nyo naman si Raylo. Hindi ko na lang in-name drop kayo. Pero kilala nyo naman na. Thank you for making my day lighter and better. No? But yeah. It's like 9:53 in the evening as of now na record ko to. Gusto ko lang mag-workout and then kumain. And to be honest, I still have hindi naman birthday blues. I can't really say it's birthday blues. It's just that my mind is so blank. It's so empty. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano ang gagawin ko. And gusto nang gawin yung routine ko. Yeah, like robot mo. Ano muna tayo? Autopilot muna tayo. Diba? But, yeah. Sa mga taong kilala ako, tapos, like, don't apologize. Don't say anything. Like, just don't apologize. You may say anything all you want. But don't apologize because, like, it's not your fault. Okay, hindi naman ay dapat alam ko. Dapat I should have known. I should have asked na it's good. You guys have you have your own worlds. So, intindihan ko naman yun. We're good on that part. Especially yung mga, basta, it's really fine. It's really okay. Don't worry about it. No. Now, for the second thought na gusto ko rin i-share is, ito, to be honest, feeling ko mali ko rin to. I know a lot of people and it's really hard to keep track of their birthdays. Ngayon, ang gusto ko namang gawin, yung plano ko talagang seryosohin, is to simply ask every single one of them, kung kaya ko, kung kailan yung birthday nila, mamark ko sa calendar, and I am gonna make an effort. Hindi naman sa para magpaka-sad boy ako or what, pero, if there's one thing that I'm sure of is that, ayoko na maranasan nila kung anong naranasan ko ngayon sa birthday ko. Kasi imagine, 12 a.m. Instead you're celebrating, naglalakad ka in the middle of the night just to make yourself feel better, just to save yourself, di ba? So, ayun. Yun ang gagawin ko sa susunod in the coming days. If kaya ko, if it's within my means, I'm gonna make sure na every one of their birthdays are celebrated how I want it to be celebrated sa akin. Kasi gets nyo yun, parang feeling ko napaka-selfish nun or what, pero ang gusto ko lang kasi, ayoko lang na maranasan nila to. Gusto ko iparanas sa kanila the opposite of it. Not the pessimistic, but the optimistic, the fun part na deserve nila. Kasi birthdays are, they're special. I'm not gonna lie, they're really special. No. And yeah, yun lang naman. I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna eat as well. This day, I'll just, gusto ko sabihin kasi sa sarili ko na I don't wanna remember this day, but then I hung out with them. So parang hindi ko pwede na, gusto kong tandaan yung memory na yun, pero gusto kong kalimutan yung araw na to. And yeah, siguro normal lang maranasan to kasi I don't know, like there's a child within me that looks forward sa birthday nila. Nalang taas-taas ng expectation sa mangyayari sa birthday, tapos you're given this circumstance. So, it's shit to be honest, but what you gotta do. Pumasok pa rin ako despite that kasi the world does not stop regardless of whatever state you are in. Sinabi ko rin naman sa nanay ko, sa lola ko, na ayoko sang celebrate. Ayoko ng tao, ayoko ng kahit sino kasi I don't know what's there to celebrate. Kagastos ng food, hindi naman siya practical. Kakain sa labas, hindi rin naman practical. So, I chose to celebrate it in my own way, and that's hanging out with them. Hindi rin ako binati ng tatay ko. So, that's new. I mean, gets ko may work siya. So, nanay ko later rin. I have to understand, di ba? Like, I gotta understand that, you know, busy sila sa work nila. So, ayun. And I know na if gusto ko talagang magpakagastos, magsayang ng pera, pwede ko sabihin nanay ko, ma, yung birthday ko. Tara, kain nga kami sa labas ni Lola. Pwede ko sabihin yun. Ibibigay niya kagad sa akin yun. No hesitation. Pero pinili ko na hindi. Kasi, I just feel, like, it's just me and my Lola. I love my Lola, okay? Pero like, I don't know. Feeling ko kasi na kahit ganun yung i-celebrate, parang it won't feel enough. Pasensya if naging selfish ako or like naging, ano naman Ryan, like di ka ba mo kontento? Hindi ko nga alam kung anong kulang eh. No, I don't know. I just know for sure that kahit padalan ako ng ni mama ng pera to celebrate it, it won't really have an effect. And as I say, moment to prepare, always look on the optimistic side. Tumingin ako ngayon, hindi nawala naman yun. Hindi naman talaga nawala. It's just, nag-take over kasi yung pessimistic view. No? And, this is also a reminder na hindi, tao rin naman kasi ako. So, kung naman yung ni-story ko, just know na I also experience days like this. Kahit di nga birthday, di ba, like, numb, hindi ka okay. Yung parang gusto mo na sumuko. Yes, I do experience that as well. But of course, I am not ready to like show my vulnerable side to the internet. Actually, dapat nga hindi. Pero like, here's the thing. Okay, here's the thing. Another problem with me kasi is, eto mali talaga to. And sana hindi ako makakuha ng DM tungkol dito kasi I don't really know how to talk about it. But I let people, I let them lean on me. I let myself be their safe spaces. Saan nakikilala sa akin dyan, I'm always available. Di ba? Lagi kong sinasabi yun. Lagi kong hindi sinasabi na, hey, I'm just one call away. I am always there for you guys. Kasi naramdaman ko mismo kung ano yung pakiramdam to feel like shit, to feel bad, to feel worthless, to feel like a burden. And ako, alam mo yung parang therapist ka lang pero hindi mo magawa na ikaw yung mag-lean on sa kanila. Kasi dati nagagawa ko mag-open up. Nagagawa ko maging vulnerable to my friends. This is the part na ayoko rin i-share pero I'm gonna share it but like ito yung madaya. 'Di ba? Tama naman. Alam ko. I know that na it's so wrong to not give to like deny your friends the opportunity na sila naman yung tumulong sa'yo. Sila naman yung to be there for you. No? Kasi I know I have friends. I have friends. Like literal, I have friends that I can call friends. No? And I don't know. It's just, I find it hard to be vulnerable to them. Pero pag sila naging vulnerable sa akin, ako kaya kong saluhin yan na hindi naubos yung sarili ko. I can handle all of that. Okay? And I love helping people. Yun yung coping ko. Pag nakakuha ko ng thank you, once na nakatulong ako, natutuwa ako dun. That's really enough to make my day happy. Okay? Ayun lang. Hindi ko, I feel like that this is gonna be the hardest part of it na kailangan kong i-improve, na kailangan kong i-fix kasi no one is gonna fix this issue aside from myself. And that is to let myself be vulnerable to my friends. To let myself soften up to the ones that I can lean on. Kasi what I often do if I have a problem is I go Bravo 6 going dark. I deact. If I don't deact, I'm just gonna isolate myself. I'm gonna bottle it all up, which is really unhealthy. The fuck is, once kasi na, alam mo yung, hindi ko alam kung na ano, pero once you're unstable, kahit anong logical, kahit alam mo naman na dapat ganting ginagawa mo once you feel like this. Once you're unstable, once your mind goes blank, kahit alam mo naman talaga, hindi mo siya gagawin kasi you're unstable. You can't think straight despite knowing na ito dapat yung gagawin mo once you can't think straight, di ba? So, yun. So, sa mga nanonood dito, sa mga tumagal dito, don't feel sorry for me. I don't want that. I don't want to feel any of those things. Kasi, I'm good. Lilipas to. Lumilipas naman lahat ng mga bagay na ganito. Gusto ko lang siyang i-record. Gusto ko siyang i-document. Kasi like, why not? Diba? Why not? Gusto ko nga tumakbo rin eh. Running is one of my best coping mechanisms. Pero I chose to hang out with them kasi I don't know. Change of atmosphere. Yun lang naman. You guys have a good one. Live your life. Be free. Remember to be better. Look for the brighter side. Look for the poetry of all things. Because like in my case, dude, nahanapan ko siya ng poetry. Nahanapan ko siya ng kagandahan. Despite it being a shitty as day, hanapan ko pa rin. So, you guys have a good one.